Hi guys, have a look at this creative effect made using a mask. Isn't it super eye-catching? Let's learn how to create it together. In VideoProc Editor, click Create Now to start a new project. Select the video you've prepared and click Add to import it. Start by choosing the cup video. Go to Basic Attributes. Select Scale to adjust its size. Use the preview window to center the cup in the frame. Once done, go back to the timeline to start editing. At the proper moment, click Split. Then use Delete to remove the latter part of the clip. Next, select Vary Speed. Drag the speed points to slow down the video. Now, choose the planet video. Scroll down and click Switch to PIP to switch tracks. Trim the planet video to match the duration of the cup video. Next, find the mask icon. Click on it to see different types of masks. For this effect, select the round mask option. In the preview window, use your finger to zoom and adjust the round mask. Once you're happy with the result, click Edit. Choose Strength and adjust the slider slightly to fine-tune it. Apply the changes and go back to the main screen. Then, go to the preview window to adjust the size and position of the planet to fit the cup better. Move the playhead to the right spot. Click Add Keyframe, and then create the second keyframe. Go back to the first keyframe, click the mask icon again, and click Edit. Choose Size to adjust the mask size and raw position it in the preview window, ensuring the bottom half of the planet overlaps with the cup. Once done, click Opacity at the bottom and drag the slider to 0. Apply the changes. Now, go to the second keyframe, click the Curve button, and apply smooth curves to the parameters we adjusted earlier. Apply the changes. Finally, find the effect icon, click New Effect, and choose the magnifier effect from the options. Adjust the duration to align with the video. Then, find Target at the bottom, and click on it to switch the target to the planet video. Click Adjustment Parameters. Adjust the radius, thickness, and border alpha to make the circle align perfectly with the planet. Set the zoom slider to 0. That's it, your editing is complete. Then click Export to export the final piece out. That's all for today's tutorial. Download VideoProc Editor and try it yourself.